To increase my employability in this project, I identified that would be interesting to my career to learn how to do the drawing of the piping instrumentation diagram using softwares. The most known in the industry, at least by my knowledge, is the AutoCAD. Currently, you can use the AutoCAD Plan 3D. In the 2000s, I have read a lot about the MicroStation from Bentley. Right now, I don't hear too much about the software, and there are other software, intelligent software to build pipe instrumentation diagram like Commons and also the Smart Plant. The main advantage of all of these, or most of the software, is that you can build a data bank, and based on the data bank, you have administrator, and you can extract many lists and information from straight from the pipe instrumentation diagram instead of having Excel spreadsheets to list all the lines that you have in the project, or all the instrumentations that you have in the project, or all the process safety devices that you have in the project. So in my point of view, one side skill very useful for the chemical process engineer is to learn how to draw the pipe instrumentation diagram using softwares. I would start with the AutoCAD, but if you have access to others, I also recommend that, because depending on the size of the company, if you are talking about a medium to small company, in fact, you will be responsible to do everything since the drawing up to the installation of the components in the field, or at least you will do a lot of support on that. When the company gets bigger, they have CAD designers, they have dedicated people to do that. But in any case, if you are a chemical process engineer, it is your duty to know at least how to draw a pipe instrumentation diagram by hand using pencil and paper. So to increase your employability, I believe that it's worth it to expend some energy and time to learn any software dedicated to the drawing of the P&ID.